how far God has brought us, I can only say, Ebenezer, this far we have come. Robert, I'm so proud of you. When Robert left for All Roberts University, I was excited because I had heard of the people and the legacy that All Roberts University had. And I said to him, Robert, you're going to the University of Mike Maddock, you're going to the University of Joel Austin. I can't believe that God has favored us this much and you have gone in at the proper academic requirement. Little did I know that at All Roberts University, we would not get just degrees, we would get the gift of Malina. Malina, we are so blessed to have you. The first time that we met Malina was during COVID. She had a very good job in Korea, as Robert had said previously, but she made a decision to journey to Uganda. She crossed oceans and seas at a very risky time. At that time, I was recovering from COVID, so I wasn't able to pick up Malina. I wasn't able to prepare Malina's, place of abode, and I was just filled with guilt trips. But one day, 2 days after she arrived, Robert rang me and said, Mom, Malina is here and she wants to say hello. And I had the sweetest voice I had ever heard. I hope I don't cry. I was really sick then, but I remember thinking to myself, even if I was to go now, my son would be in the best hands. I recovered to meet Malina, and I was shocked. Robert had told me he was dating somebody, and he said, Mom, you will love her. She's everything you have ever wanted me to marry. And I thought Robert was saying that because he's Robert. I met Malina, and this girl was domesticated. I have never seen anyone so domesticated. Malina was cooking for my whole clan. Uncle Arthur, Uncle Ted would come here weekends. She was doing all the buffets. She was doing Sunday roasts. She was doing Thanksgiving, turkey, cooking for 30 people, 40 people. And I thought to myself, what? Where would we even have found someone like that in Africa? I want to thank Malina's mom and dad for raising such an amazing girl. She is everything, Robert, I have ever wanted you to marry. Malina is beautiful on the inside and on the outside. I won't talk about the outside because everybody can see her. The first time I saw her, I thought to myself, did he meet this girl in All Roberts University? Or did he go to Hollywood and pick out a few movie stars? I said, are you sure you met her at university? She looks like a movie star. And he said, yes, Mom, I did. I glorify God for that. God is so beautiful. I love excellence. I love everything that is beautiful. But God has given us more than beauty. He has given us a virtuous woman. Malina, your price is far worth the rubies. And what you see here today is the least that we can do. You are a gift from us. You are an answer to prayer. I want to thank all the people who have prayed with me, the intercessors. It's a Bible. King James Version. And it has been the manuscript of our marriage. And every day, I want you to walk according to this word. The God of this Bible has taken us from the dust. The God of this Bible has caused us to reign with Him in high places. The God of this Bible brought you to earth as a gift to us. The God of this Bible has raised you. The God of this Bible has given you health. And the God of this Bible led you to Malina. We have always had no doubt that our children would prosper. We know that if the God of demonic altars can pursue people, then the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob will pursue them even more. I know that God appeared to Isaac and introduced himself and said, I'm the God of your father Abraham. And God appeared to Jacob and introduced himself and said, I'm the God of your grandfather Abraham and your father Isaac. So we knew that God would pursue our children. We know He's going to pursue our grandchildren. We know He will pursue our great-grandchildren. We know He will introduce Himself to them. But this is the manuscript that has been our guide. In my family, Malina, we do not have a history of divorce. In the lineage, God has kept the marriages together. But you will read, as you read the Bible, you will realize that the fruits of the Spirit